marketing strategies that a marketer have to adopt so that he can enter into the rural market. So the rural marketing strategies can be divided under 4 heads, like product based different strategies are there, price based strategies are, distribution based strategies there, and finally promotion based strategies are there. So according to this, we will see one by one what are the strategies. So product based strategies: small unit, low pricing, packaging. So here as we know, the rural people are, most of the people are agricultural laborers or wage earners. So it's not they are receiving monthly salary, they will be getting daily wage or weekly wage. So they will prefer to buy products and services on small quantity which is affordable to them. So the rural marketer, the marketer have to think that the disposable income of the rural people is very less, so accordingly the marketer have to make packages which are of small quantity and low price with small packaging. That makes like that will be easy for the customer, the rural people, to buy, at the same time convenience of using. And next strategy is new product design. When he design certain new product, that have to be specific to the rural specific, and should be relatable. That should be of the rural people buy certain products, they buy most of the products which are relatable or which are specific to their needs and wants. Like they don't go for all the technological things, or they will not go for the luxurious things. They initially want to satisfy their basic needs. So when a marketer design particular product, the product have to be very specific and relatable. Next is product launch, and when a marketer is thinking to launch a particular product or a new product, he have to arrange their launching at the time of harvest season, because at the harvest time the rural people will be having lots of income and they will be having money with them, so that they will be able to buy the products. And the brand name, when brand name can be name or symbol or logo, whatever be that a particular customer will be able to identify. Brand is something a customer can identify, like the way by which a customer can identify the product and services offered. So the brand name should be certain local names, the symbols should be relatable things, so that the customers will recognize, the rural people will recognize, and they will go for the particular product. So these are the product based strategies that a marketer have to be adopted, so that he can easily get into the rural market. Next is price based strategies. In price based strategies, first point is differential pricing. Differential pricing means for small units he have to make smaller pricing or cost effective way, so that is cheaper in one way. And second is psychological pricing. Psychological pricing is Bata mostly uses psychological pricing, like 99 or 999, which makes the people like feel like it is not 100, it is not 1000. So psychological pricing can be also adopted. Next is creative value money. That is the rural people are ready to buy durable goods which will be worth enough for the money which they are paying. So once you offer certain product and services to the rural people, make sure that the product is durable, and they will only buy if the product is worthy enough for the value of the money they are paying. Next is pricing on special events. So the marketer can give certain discounts or offers on certain festival times, like Holi's and Diwali's and all. And next is simple packaging. The marketers, the rural people, they are not conscious about this luxurious packing and all. They want simple packaging so that the product will be safe, the product will be protected. They just wanted normal simple packaging. They are not ready to pay more for the packaging. And next is affordable pricing. You have to go with affordable pricing strategy or low pricing. Next is schemes for retailers, like have to provide certain cash discounts or quality based discounts, so that the retailers will be also benefited. Next is bundle pricing. Bundle pricing, this mostly happens a particular company, they offer a group of products together and they bundle all the products together and give on certain offers or reduced price. So these are the strategies adopted by the marketers to enter into the rural market, which is based on the pricing strategies. Now we'll see distribution based strategies. Distribution based strategy, the marketer can start certain company depots in the rural areas so that there will be full time, the product will be there all the time. Whenever the customer want, he can buy the product, or the local depots can serve the product to the retailers, so that in a full time availability of the product will be there. Next is retailers in India, most of the retailers are the petty shops, like they have the small shops. So retailers are one among the best distribution agents, or like people who are engaged in connecting the marketers and the rural people. Next is redistribution stockists and clearing agents. And next is delivery vans, traders and salespersons means one-to-one, like face-to-face interaction and personal selling kind of selling can be also adopted, so that distribution will be very easy. And local markets again helps to reach out to the rural people. Next is promotional strategies. In promotional strategies, mass media can be used, like TV and radio. Like 5-10 years ago, radio was the mostly used mass media, or a media used by the rural people. Nowadays also most of the people prefer FM radio. So radio, like we can promote or we can give ads, or promotional activities can be done through mass media. At the same time, publicity, public relations, operation, all those things we can do. We will learn the promotional strategies and the other strategies in detail when we will learn the rural marketing mix. In detail we will be learning. And next is personal selling, local media, like in particular rural area they will be having certain local newspapers or local TV channels, or local radio channels will be also there. So promotion can be done through the local channels also. Hiring actors and model. And next is paintings and hoardings. You can see in the walls, wall painting and putting up certain hoardings also can help for promotional activity. So these are the 4 rural marketing strategies. I hope all the 4 rural marketing strategies, product strategies, price related strategies, distribution related strategies and promotional based strategies is understood to you. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.